Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickBank for affiliate marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the ClickBank website. Once you are on the home page, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Make sure to include a valid email address and create a strong password. After completing the form, review ClickBank's terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Join ClickBank button to submit your registration. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from ClickBank. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Now, return to the ClickBank homepage and click on Login. Enter your newly created email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Marketplace tab in the top menu and click on it. Here, you will find a wide range of products available for affiliate promotion. You can search for products by category or use the search bar for specific items. Once you find a product that interests you, click on the product title for more details. Review the product information, including the commission rate and sales page. If you decide to promote this product, click on the Promote button. A pop-up window will appear, asking for your account nickname. Enter your account nickname and click Generate Hoplinks. Copy the provided hop. Now, you are ready to promote your selected product. You can share your hoplink on social media, a blog, or through email marketing. Monitor your sales through the ClickBank dashboard regularly. This will help you track your performance and optimize your strategies. To enhance your marketing efforts, consider creating content around the products you promote. Provide value to your audience to increase engagement and conversions. In conclusion, installing ClickBank for affiliate marketing is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can start your journey in affiliate marketing successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.